So again, good morning to all. In the last program, what we have seen that we have calculated the factorial of a number with the help of recursion. Okay. So in this program, I am saying that I have a number A and I have a number B. What I will do, I will calculate A to the power B. Are you following this? The question is how to calculate A to the power B. Let's say the value of A is 5, the value of B is 4. So what I am saying that if you want to calculate A to the power B, you can write in a simpler manner. And you can see that again, please pay attention. The nature of the problem is same. Are you following this? The nature of a problem is same, but like quantity becomes smaller. Here you are calculating the power of B, and here you are calculating the power of B minus 1. And I will reduce the problem till I will come A to the power 1. The moment A to the power becomes 1, I can write in a simpler manner. And I know if a variable has a power 0, our answer is 1. Are you following this? Our answer is 1. So what I can do, if the value of B equals 0, I have an answer. Are you following this? If any number having power 0, I have an answer, like return 1. So if a number, if a number is 0 and you want to calculate the power of that particular number, it becomes 1. Else part, what I will do, I can write return A into power A B minus 1. So what is the meaning of this one here? Let me explain you. This program saying that if you want to calculate A to the power B, reduce the problem till value of B becomes 0. Why 0? Any number having power 0 equal to 1. So in order to calculate this, there is no need to perform working. You can directly say the answer. In the else part, what you are saying that if you want to calculate A to the power B, and you don't know the logic, so please calculate A to the power B minus 1 and multiply by A. Okay? Are you following this? And inside main, what you can do, inside main you can call this void main. In a simpler manner, you can call the power like this. You can save in a variable x and you can print x. So let me explain the working again. The moment you will call power, the control will transfer here. What will happen? The value of A becomes 4. So the value of A equal to 4. The value of B becomes 5. And what will happen? The value of B equal to 0? No, it is not 0. It is 5. So what is going to happen? Compiler will go in a else part. In the else part, what we have written that A into something. So what is the meaning of this one is 4 into power 4 and 4. That is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. And you can check that it is not a integer. So compiler will wait while you are calculating this one. So you are again calling the power, but this time the amount becomes smaller. Are you following this? The amount becomes smaller. So what you will do, you will again calculate the power. How you can calculate? First of all, the value of A becomes 4 and the value of B becomes 4. Again call this one. Value of B becomes 4. So it will go in a else part. What will happen? It will return A. The value of A is 4. And what is the value of B? B is 4. So it becomes into power 4 and 3. So what is the meaning? Why we are doing this one, we are saying that the original problem was you have to calculate 4 to the power 5. It means, what was the question? The question was, I think, oh sorry for this. Oh yeah, 4 to the power 5. Perfect. 4 to the power 5. I am saying that I can't calculate 4 to the power 5, but what I can do? I can calculate 4 to the power 4 and please multiply in this one. So I can say that I can't calculate 4 to the power 4 also, but you can calculate 4 to the power 3 and multiply by 4. That in a simpler manner I am saying that if you can't calculate 4 to the power 3, multiply by 4 and calculate 4 to the power 2. In a similar manner I am saying that if you can't calculate 4 to the power 2, multiply by 4 and calculate 4 to the power 1. In the last one, if you don't want to calculate 4 to the power 1, what you can do? You can multiply by power 4 to the power 0. So in this case, what is going to happen? The value of b becomes 0. So I can say that return 1. So the answer of this problem is, sub-problem is 1. If the answer of this problem is 1, so it becomes 4 into 1 equals to what? 4. Are you following this? It becomes 4. So you know the answer of this problem. If you know the answer of this problem, that is 4, so 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16. So you calculate the power of this one. If you calculate the power of this one, it becomes 16 into 4. It means 64 and so on. So in a similar manner, you can calculate the power a to the power b. Let me explain again. If you don't know a to the power b, what you can do? First of all, you can calculate a to the power b minus 1 and multiply by a. It means you are going to reduce the size of a problem, but the nature is same. So what you will do, the moment you will reduce again and again, what will happen? The thing is that actually the problem side is reducing. Okay, so there is a technical problem, but in the next lecture we will discuss about the call by value and call by reference. Thank you.